Attractor Factor. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area. Attractor Factor. Discover how to effortlessly attract customers and clients who are desperate to pay you 100s and even 1000s for showing them how to do it too. From Amanda Craven, Attractor Factor, a course that every single one of your subscribers will love because it teaches them how to make great money fast without having to go out and sell. How? With methods I use all the time and have proven to work over and over again. Your customers will learn how to effortlessly attract customers and clients who will pay them to do the exact same thing for them through compelling blog content. With Google placing more emphasis than ever on great relevant content and social shares falling like a stone, businesses are crying out for the kind of blog posts that connect with their ideal customers, build authority and make sales. But they simply do not have the time and expertise, which means this is a wonderful opportunity to earn 3 and 4 figures per post if you know how. And I teach exactly how in the Attractor Factor, along with all the templates and even a 2134-word white paper, so your customers can simply copy, swipe and make this work for them. Ever heard of attraction marketing? It's the thing that intelligent marketers do. Because they know it's not only far cheaper, it works better than anything else. So what is it? Put simply, it's content marketing. And the content that works best right now is the good old blog post. Why? Well, it's all thanks to the big G aka Google, who rank blogs with valuable, relevant content highest, while at the same time social shares are falling. So if you're a business without that great content, you miss out. Big time. But this also means a big opportunity for you because businesses are crying out for that great content they have no idea how to create. And they will pay you really well to do it for them. We're talking 3 and 4 figures for simple blog posts. But how do you find those businesses? Never mind, give them what they need. Easy. Everything you need is here in the Attractor Factor, a genuine business in a box, where you simply follow the easy steps, swipe the supplied templates and go. Even a total beginner can do this and build up their own Attractor Factor at the same time. Upsell 1. Attractor Factor Upgrade. DFY templates, planners, contracts, everything you need to skyrocket your results. $22.97, $37. Upsell 2. The Speed Profit System. My best-selling course on how to create cash-sucking content super fast. The perfect complement to the Attractor Factor. $27. Downsell. Wanga. Another of my evergreen best-selling courses on how to make money from your side hustle. $14.97, $27. Review, Mega Bonus Pack in Download Area.